Oh, hey, YouTube. It is August 13th, 2023, and it is raining. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh, the quail are happy. It's thundering. So we are experiencing the remnants of a tropical storm from down south. So we have some thunder and some rain, and it's actually cooling down. It was really humid a couple minutes ago when it first started, but it's really cooled down a lot. Feels nice. But it's dark and there's no solar coming in, so we had to turn our swamp cooler off, and it's all just crazy. So we're cooking Sunday dinner, and now we're just gonna enjoy some rain, some thunder. I was hoping while I've been talking that a nice thunderclap would go off, but of course, you know how that goes when you're recording. Decides not to. Oh, it feels so nice. Ah. All right, let's see if we can get it on recording, on not film. So we're out here enjoying the little sprinkles, and then Brandon notices that the solar light that is right. Oh, here, point to it. It's lit up.
Yeah, it hasn't worked in like a long time, and I think
So
it's a little wet, and then there's a lot of electricity in the air.
So the question is, was it struck by lightning?
No. It's just electricity in the air and the water. It's like.
So yeah, it's on.
Yeah.
There are little rumblings. Shelby made a recording and all, and I'll try to edit it in. She got a pretty good clap on.
So in the city, people say, "Oh, we got some water last night. The car is much better." Not here. You live like
a little
this,
sprinkle is no good. It's a Dalmatian. Oh my god.
It's pretty rough.
You can make mud pies.
It's rough. I had to roll up windows on the car.
Oh man.
Yeah, I usually don't even bother. I just leave enough to keep the raccoons out.
Right.
Yeah.
We haven't heard the mourning doves for a long time. I guess because it's so hot, but they were singing earlier, so they're happy. It's a little bit cleaner than it was. So we got some more thunder going on. There's a really nice cool breeze going on right now, which has been really nice because we've been super hot. Woo! Yeah, I think that's going to be my cue to record from the inside of the house now. Alright, well, the skies are still pretty angry. There is power outages in our area. Mainly just the town that is down the hill from us. So, There are a couple of fires that popped up, but they're not close to us, so we hope they get those out nice and quick. Like I said, the skies are still pretty angry, but I'm going to go ahead and end this here. Pretty exciting. The wild weather always seems to do good on YouTube, so. Crazy California weather.